Alright. Alright. Yo, look what I got. Well, it's a box, but this is a magical box, literally. I got this from called 13moons.com, and we're just gonna get right into it because I don't want to do a long video where I have to edit the hell out of it. 13moons.com. They have all your witchy needs, which I have a story I have to tell y'all. I might tell y'all in this one, I'm not sure. But we're just gonna open this bad boy. I already opened it, but I wanted to show y'all because I was like excited for this. It's definitely a very unique box. First of all, we got this is Sage. This is called the Dreams and Desires Sage. It has, I forget what all's on it, but it's kind of like very cottagecore. This is supposed to help you with success. It's supposed to really help you cleanse a place like even more. I have 3 or 4 more of those coming in, different kinds of sage. And then I got another talisman. I don't know if you remember in my other video where I was wearing it like once or twice. This one is for honor and riches. It says this talisman and seal were designed for all who desire honor and riches in whatever sphere of activity they may find themselves. So, and then I'll take it out and show y'all. Ignore my cat again in the background. Every time I start a video, there she goes, she starts. It makes no sense. Here is the talisman. Oh yeah, and she's going even crazier now that I said that. But yeah, this, I'm not sure if this is the one. A lot of the ones that they carry is in the Lesser Key of Solomon, which I'm not sure if that's an evil book or not. Like I said before, I only practice love and light and like success for myself and protecting family and all this, but the Lesser Key of Solomon I heard is evil, I thought, but this is all about success. So if anybody knows more about these and the Lesser Key of Solomon, please let me know in the comments. This one's for good luck, and it says literally on the thing, because I was reading it online, this magical talisman treasured by all who wish to become rich or famous. The front of our piece is called the Talisman for Honor and Riches, and is paired on the reverse with the seal of great prosperity to enhance magical properties of both. This unique combination will enable the bearer to make the right contacts and to say and do the correct things at the proper times. It will help one achieve their desires and lift one from mediocrity to eminence. Helps one raise in honor and dignity and ensure a continuity of positions of power, and also safeguard against attacks of enemies, open or secret. And then what I just read y'all on the back. This is the inside. It's like pretty cool, and I've noticed things, symbols and things really do work, at least in like witchcraft or like pagan things. There's a reason why they've been around for years, since the beginning of time it seems like, and these were used just like crystals. And if you think about it, witches have been around long before even the Salem witch trials. It's pretty cool. I don't think this one is from the Lesser Key of Solomon. I'm not sure. The other ones say they are. And then if you're wondering what this thing is, I mean, if you're a witch, you know what this is. Oh wow, that's got some weight to it for being so small. I got a little quartz crystal ball. The next thing I got is this. It's incense. It's called Ancient Elements from Sun's Eye, and these incense help with like prosperity rituals and spells. It says invigorating and sweet. Beautiful. I just wanted to try these. I usually get the hem incense sticks, but these ones, something about them looks so cool, and they're heavier. It's dirty, but I love the stars and stuff on it. My incense holder. So we're gonna put one through, and we're gonna light it. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like a metaphysical shop, but I mean, I like that smell. I got my torch thing. So this next thing This is the crystal ball. So let's open it. And the cool thing is, I got that one brass stand. I didn't know that they come with their own. It's the kind I like. It's the clear kind. It looks like a little ice cube. See? So cool. I think this is glass. But you could still use glass in your practice. Like, it works almost just as good as quartz. But quartz is just the best. Which is why if you get a crystal ball, you can do glass if you don't have the money, but try to do quartz. Quartz, everybody that's a witch knows quartz is the best thing because it charges you, it charges your crystals. It's just good all around. But yeah, this one is the 50 millimeter crystal ball. I have a bigger one coming in. I gotta make sure that it's quartz because it's 90 millimeters, but look how pretty. So cool. I love it. I can't stop staring at it now. But you have to cleanse these too. You can do the oil. You can do, first you gotta make sure that it's good quality. You can cleanse it with smoke. Like, I can cleanse it with my incense. I'm not seeing any smoke come from this incense. Hold on, I'm cleansing it. Whoa, look at it through my shirt. That looks cool right there. So cool. I'm so ADD. Probably gonna cut most of this out. I wanted to show y'all everything I got from 13 Moons. Oh, yeah, I want to see this. I didn't get to even try this. It came in yesterday. I was so excited to open it, so I opened it, but I didn't open anything individually. Look how cute. Hold on. That is so cute. Oh my, it's like a mini what is that called? Like a Polly Pocket witch kit. Which one do y'all like better? The all glass vibe, where it's all crystal clear? Or do you like the brass with the crystal ball? Is it in focus or not? Oh my gosh. This camera, I swear, there we go. Beautiful. That's so cool. I love it. I can't stop staring at it. It's like mesmerizing. And I think that's everything from 13 Moons. Since my birthday was yesterday, that's another thing I wanted to show y'all. I got a bunch of stuff, photography things to help my photography business. So I will show you guys all of that. I got some clothes too. Oh, my unif thing is coming in today too. So if they come in today and it's not too late, I will do I'll try to add it to this video, but it probably won't come in. I guarantee you it won't. But for the last bit of this, I'll show y'all. I'll light this as sage. Look how cool it is. It's so cottagecore. And then these flower things. Does anybody know what the flowers are? I'll look it up. It might be chamomile or something. I'm not sure. This one's called the Dreams and Desires incense. So cool. Alright, let's light this biatch. It's been a minute since I've lit sage. Like I said, I've used oils and stuff and incense to cleanse. Because sage, I like Palo Santo too, but it just goes so quick. And sometimes Palo Santo makes my nose stuffy. The sage is full of love and light and positivity. Nothing negative stays here. Anything negative must leave this house now. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna go and cleanse the whole house now, because it needs it. Like I said, it's been a while since I've used this stuff. I have another video coming for Unif, and I have more from House of Intuition. I got candles, oils, and other stuff. And then I have a grunge palette coming in, which I know everybody loves those videos. So let me know if you like these witchy videos too, and if you like the haunted videos, I will let you guys know. I will do more videos of how I accidentally haunted this house. I have many stories, so just let me know in the comments below. I love y'all. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you, I love you, I love you.